Alright, so I had the idea to make scratchy tickets for my clothing brands. So I've got a lot of lanyards, stubby holders, stickers. I want to do discount codes and do a few jackpots for free tees as well. So I've gone on the ChatGPT. I've asked the dimensions of a scratchy card. It says 5.08 centimeters by 10 for a standard, or we can do a smaller one, 3.81 by 8.89. We'll open up Illustrator. We'll go back here. I was looking at a few just like designs, get some inspiration for some designs. I like to look at these ones here. As you can see, they've got a bit of a square border, a bit of a gradient going on behind them, and then we'll have a square here. Something like that, be pretty cool. Like those. I kind of like these. These look pretty scratchy like. I'd do this, and then I can flip them and have them on both sides of the letters, I think. Free with trial. Let's just fucking give me a screenshot and we'll just go background remover. Not paying for fucking shit, boy. Wait, image, scratchy, coins. So there we go. Download. Let's drag that onto here. We've got our coins in here now. It's looking pretty cool. Not yet, it doesn't, but it will. So I'm thinking that we copy and paste the image and we have them touching. Can we do object? I think it's called mirror in fucking Illustrator. Transform, reflect, all we want. Have them bigger maybe. Yeah, that's better. Kind of like the bar they do up the top too. Makes it look a bit more legit. I'll get rid of this. Start changing this around to the colours I want. This is all going to be blackish. I want that to be like a gradient behind it. Like that, dog. A lot of fucking around. What if I bring this one to the front over everything? Let's go evenly distribute. We'll group them together. Center that. We need to work on that title. I don't like that. But we are getting there. Play around with some of these fonts. We are getting somewhere. Tor. Something like that. I'll just fucking copy those, I think. Yo, what the fuck is going on? That does not look fucking centered. Fucking Adobe. Match any three icons in a row. Centered, you fucking idiot. I don't like how it does this grey with the 3D effect, but it should start with white and then, but it just turns the whole thing grey, which is really weird. Pixelates the fuck out of it too, which is whack. Fill that white, I think. Too much space there. It's looking good. Center that. Blah, 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 blah. Paste another one of these here, but we'll just shorten down the specs for a little code box. Something like that. Should also chuck the QR code I've got for the site. Chuck that in. Comes in fucking massive. Okay, we're gonna need a box to go behind that. Stick it down there in the corner. Group that. What the fuck else do they have on the bottom of them? Show me photos, you cockhead. Entry QR code. We need to get some writing up in the top there. Give a different font. That's not 1 in 5, it's 5. It'll just say 1 in 100. If I crease the kerning a bit there, get it covering end to end. It's starting to look a bit better now. That needs a space there, it doesn't have a space. Still think we need a bit of a gradient on the background behind it. What colour do you reckon we should fuck around with? What do you reckon? What else can I do? We've got the fucking social media icons. I might have them saved in here. Oh, we don't have a TikTok. What did I make? Sketch card. So I don't like that being fucking grey. Trace. Where the fuck do we trace shit again? I can't remember. There we go. Now it's black. Get rid of that. I don't really like that. These icons can fuck off. I don't like that at all. Why is that doing that? See back for how we play. We've got a bit of a dotted grid on there. I guess I could just go a pen tool, like a dotted line. How the fuck do I do a fucking dotted line?
If you want to open the appearance panel, you can go ahead and go to window.
Appearance. I don't see any fucking appearance. No man. No man. Fuck man. Let's fucking make these lines dotted. Appearance. I'm not seeing any fucking appearance. Am I missing some shit? Window. Appearance. Stroke. Path. Opacity. Default. There we go. We have our dotted lines. Copy. Paste them in. I'm gonna flip these 90 degrees. How am I gonna get these fucking lined up properly? Fuck you. Okay, now I've got the square. Let's group that. Go copy. Fuck you. A bit of fucking around here, but we're getting there. And get these dogs together. We've got a fucking table. Put this back. It's all looking pretty good. Fuck that off. Okay. Let's see if you can do this. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to work out another way. Hopefully, you can fucking do it for me because I don't really want to make fucking 500 different scratchy cards. Unable to upload the fucking template. Why? It wants me to upgrade. Alright, I just had to pay for a fucking ChatGPT subscription for it to generate these scratchies for me. I need you to generate 500 random arrangements of icons within the specified amount of winners, and I also have the code entered. Alright, so I've just uploaded all my icons and the scratchy template to ChatGPT. I've had to buy the plus version to do this, so hopefully it works. It's given me some really cool ideas actually about redeeming the codes and building this thing into my website and have run a bit of a promotion with it. Said I can send out branded packaged box for the jackpot, create a bit of buzz on social media, and even if you lose, you can enter the code and get a 5% discount rather than just losing and nothing happening. So it's asking me now to confirm the divisions of all the winners. So there's going to be 500 scratchies total, 331 non-winners, 41 discounts, 41 stickers, same for stubby holders and lanyards, and there's 5 jackpots. And it's going to generate me 500 codes on a CSV sheet, which I can then import into Shopify. Confirm the distribution. Yep, let's just go confirm. Let's see if we can do this. This would be cool, because this would have taken me fucking yonks to do this. So this is ChatGPT 4.5 now, so this is the research one, this is the fucking flash one. So there's going to be 500 randomly generated ones. I'm going to be interested to see if it's going to put the code in the box down the bottom where I've told it to as well. There we go, 500 codes, it's just generated it. The 500 are randomized scratchy layouts with your icons and unique codes embedded in the designated blue box. Oh, that's what it's doing next. It's just done the codes. This is fucking insane. Let's return 10 samples. So we'll download this and have a look at it. The code is not on the box, it's below it, and the icons aren't centered in the fucking table. Alright, it's going to try again to get the icons inside the box, and I also need the code inside the fucking code area as well. So it's giving me 5 final scratches here, the preview ones. Well, that's aligned pretty good, but again, the code is not inside the box. Here we go. Let's have a look. Okay, the positioning, pretty damn good, but the code is still not inside the box. Alright, so here's the full CSV of the 500 scratchy codes and their associated prizes ready for Shopify import. Alright, so there's my 500 codes. That all looks good. And now we've got, it's spat out 10 batches of 50 of my 500 scratchies. And we'll just go through and have a look. They all look good. All the codes are in the right spot. It's a little bit not centered, but it all lines up and these will work. And also just another thing, my mics died last night as I was recording this, so the last like hour of footage I won't have sound. I basically just designed the back of the scratchy card just to make it look like a legitimate like lottery ticket. I just wrote like a bit of a gamble responsibly joke down the bottom. I think it come out looking pretty mad in the end. I've been speaking to manufacturers on Alibaba to have them produced, or I can either print them out myself, which might be a bit difficult because I need to print out 500 of them and then use thin scratchable vinyl and stick them over the icons and the code down the bottom. So that's a bit more work, but it might be a better option. Or I can just send all this over to a factory and have them send back a roll of them, and it might look a bit more authentic because I'll have to actually rip them off like a scratchy, which is what I might do. I don't know, I'll compare the prices of having them printed locally and then what it's going to cost to have them sent over from China and printed over there. It might still be cheaper in the end. So I don't know, but I think they turned out pretty cool. This is my first YouTube video, so like, subscribe, all that, and tell me what you reckon about this idea.